Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So in this video, guys, I'll be sharing with you guys the stock that I'm purchasing and dropping 10,000 into this company. It will be for a short period of time, so don't try to follow me what I'm doing, which, I'm putting it out here for you to do whatever you want with it, but this is not financial advice. And if you is following me, I'm just putting this out here, letting you guys know when I buy these companies, certain companies, not disregarding AMC. We know AMC was a different breed since the beginning, but other companies that I day trade, want to get in and out of, I'm not in these companies for a long period of time. So don't buy these companies that YouTubers or myself or anybody be talking about. Get yourself involved in them and be bag holding the stock long and forever, when they done took the meat of the move and got their money and made it out of the stock with profits. But you let it ride up and then let it crash right back down and stay down on you and lost money. So make sure you understand that part. So anyways, guys, I'm going to share with you guys the stock that I'm dropping this bread in, that I'm about to take advantage of the meat of the move, because I do believe this is a great opportunity to get in on this stock, ride it up, and have an exit plan, get out with your money, and maybe even keep a few shares just to see will it recover, continue to recover, guys, because this stock in particular has gotten hit hard, and it is a large cap, because I told you guys I'm venturing over from, I'm not really messing with any penny stocks. I know we messing with CEI right now. That's just 1 out of a million. Every blue moon, I probably would touch a penny stock every once in a blue moon, but other than that, I'm messing with big dogs, big large cap companies. Even though I won't be able to acquire it as much as I did with the penny stocks, still I'd rather minimize my risk, if that makes sense, guys. Even if I'm holding a large cap company and it don't go as I planned, and I end up, not following my rules and have to hold that company for a little longer, I will be fine with doing that with a company like Apple or Nike or Walmart. You get what I'm saying? If it makes sense for you. But if it don't, eventually it will, because everybody's different. Like I say, you have to find yourself in the market. Don't try to follow no one in particular. Don't try to be like no one. You can take what you can take from different individuals and come up with your own unique self, guys, but never try to be a copycat. You'll never make it like that in the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Share with you guys what I got for you. And you already know, do your research, due diligence, and do whatever you want to do with it. So take a look at it. It is Alibaba, guys. I know a lot of people get very defensive with these Chinese stocks, and me, myself, I do too as well. But Alibaba is kind of on a different frequency than the other Chinese stocks. So even though it's been hammered down very, very hard, guys, it's been hit over 65% in the past year. And I'm not saying to say, oh, I believe in Alibaba or I'm about to be an investor in Alibaba. None of that's going on, guys. I'm just strictly here to take advantage of the opportunity that the stock is now down, a large cap, down over 65%. I do believe the market is ready to turn around. It will help push Alibaba up as well. But before we get into it, let's be clear and share the facts and why this play is attractive, and also what the media have to say in the news, because it is having rumors out there that Alibaba could possibly be delisted. News does say it's not expecting a turnaround anytime soon, and Chinese companies like Alibaba might face delisting if they don't apply with accounting rules, and it's expected for more companies will be named soon. So, I got to put that out there, guys. All the facts, not just the good stuff, the bad stuff as well. Does this scare me? No, it doesn't scare me at all. The reason being is because I'm not investing in Alibaba for the long term. I'm just getting in on this deal. Where I got in at, I feel like it was a great price. I watched it in the $100 range. I said, no, I'm going to wait. I feel like it's going to come down lower. Now I'm getting in at this range. I feel like it hit the lowest of the low. If it want to go lower, it could go to the 60s, maybe even the 50s. But the bounce is destined to happen. I won't hold. That's not my plan, to hold for it to fall down that low. I would exit and cleanly get out if it break below $73, $72 per share. I'm fine with losing $2 to $3 per share from where I bought in at, in order to gain $50, $60 per share, guys. And I might not even stay for that, meet that piece of the move, at least $20, $25, $30 per share. So I know I'm okay with losing $3 to $4 a share to gain $30, $40, $50 a share, guys. The upside always got to be greater than the downside. So I hope that makes sense for you guys. If it don't now, it will sooner or later. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Alibaba is a large cap company. For the ones that don't know, a large cap company, the market cap from 10 billion to 200 billion will be justified as a large cap. And that's what I want to mainly put my focus on going into 2022. But I feel like that's less risk involved. So, but Alibaba is a bit different from the other companies that I was naming, like Apple, Nike, and stuff. But I will take my chances, take this risk on Alibaba, being for the prices that it's trading at. It's too attractive to not take this chance, guys. And like I said, like, the market don't go straight up and don't go straight down. What you expect to happen from here? If so, if all this news coming out, right, Alibaba could be dislisted. They scaring people away. It's a Chinese stock, this, that, and the third, right? So that means short should go ahead and pile in and just put all their money on it, because it's definitely going down from what the media say, from how it's looking. They should do that, right? And if they do that, if they is doing that, the market don't work like that. If so many shorts pile in, even though the fundamental aspects ain't lining up and stuff, that would still make Alibaba pop, even though it don't necessarily supposed to. It's just going to pop and try to, scare the shorts, then get them to cover their positions just before dropping lower. And that's where I come in at and take the meat of the move, take advantage of that, to get this little pop that I believe it's about to do, sell my shares, get up out of there, and then no longer care what Alibaba do or does. So I hope that makes sense for you guys. So now let's take a look at the analysts and what they forecast is for Alibaba. So analysts got an estimate, a high estimate for Alibaba at $283, a median at $168, and the low is $64. So think about it. I'm buying in, I don't know what you doing, but I'm buying in at the low, right around 64 bucks, 73 bucks, 74 bucks. That's $10 from the low. That's why I say it could possibly come down there. I won't stay and hold. I'm okay with losing $3 to $4 a share, and then I let it drop if you want to drop lower, and then repositioning myself if it want to drop to 50 or 60. But I am going to make a good chunk of money off the bounce for Alibaba. It's one of the biggest recoveries or biggest bounces I believe will happen in the market. Not saying it's going to, I don't care about it recovering and continue to go back to all-time highs. I'm just saying for the bounce. I'm looking for a 20, 30, 40% bounce. So you already know, guys. Let's continue. So Alibaba, we see the estimates, guys. Even on Robinhood, old Robinhood, if you look down at the Morningstar, the analysts, they expecting a fair value for Alibaba to be $188. And you don't just go off of this stuff. I don't care about that stuff, that data. That's just something to go off of and see what analysts is saying. And you put all your homework together and come up with your own decisions on how you want to play it, guys. So you already know that's the stock. That's the info. Take what you want to take from it. Do what you want to do with it. And you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. I'm about to make this bread off Baba. If the plan don't go how I expect it to, I take a $3 to $4 per share loss. But look what I was aiming for. So that's how you make money in the market, guys. You already know what to do. Consider joining the family. We post over every single day. Add your boy on Instagram at the Behave Show. Do all that good stuff. Hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe and ring that notification bell. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.